Welcome back to the DerivNavigatorAcademy. In this video, we will be looking into the Evening Star pattern, okay? So for those who missed our last video whereby we spoke about the Morning Star pattern, I will put a link in the description. You can just click on it. It is basically the opposite of this pattern we'll be looking into, all right? Now, the Evening Star pattern. The Evening Star pattern, first of all, is a bearish reversal pattern, okay? For the Morning Star pattern, it was a bullish reversal. Now, for the Evening Star, it is a bearish reversal. Now, it usually occurs at the top of an uptrend. Again, for those who watched Morning Star occurs at the bottom of an downtrend. Now, for this one, for the bearish, it occurs at the top of an uptrend, okay? Now, again, this pattern consists of 3 candlesticks, just like the previous one, just like the Morning Star, okay? The first candle is a bullish candle, all right? And then we have the second candle, again, is a small candlestick. It can be small, it can be bullish or bearish, okay? The third candle is a large bearish candle. In general, this pattern is a bearish version of the Morning Star, just as I have said, okay? This is basically the opposite of Morning Star. It's just the bearish version for Morning Star, okay? Let us look at an example right here. Now, this is the anatomy of the Evening Star candlestick pattern, whereby we have a large bullish candle, all right, a small candle that can be bullish or bearish, and you have a bearish candle. Again, I said, ensure whatever broker you are using, you are able to differentiate between bullish candle and bearish candle. You can either, some brokers usually have a default setting whereby you have bullish candles being represented by a green color and the bearish with a red. Some allow you to choose the color that you want, but ensure in either circumstances, you can be able to differentiate them, because not being able to differentiate them can mess you up greatly, okay? Again, this is how it looks. We have a bullish candle with a large body or a large real body, and you have a small candle, okay? This candle, most of the time, is usually a doji candlestick, okay? A doji candlestick. So if you also do not know about a doji candlestick, again, ensure you have watched. Click on the channel, go to the playlist labeled Understanding Candle Charts. You will find everything there, okay? And then you have the bearish candle. Now let us look at the explanation so that you can understand it even further. Now, the first part of an Evening Star is a bullish candle. It means bulls are still pushing the market higher, or the buyers are in control. So bulls are basically the buyers who are having power, and thus they are called bulls, and they are pushing the market higher. So whenever buyers are gaining power in the market, they are called bulls, okay? And the fact that they are gaining power means that they are pushing the market higher, okay? Because remember, guys, whenever one commodity has a lot of buyers, its price tends to go up. So that is the same. Whenever you find that a currency has many buyers than sellers, that currency usually gains more price, or usually gains more momentum, or the market it is located in becomes higher, okay? Because anytime you have suppliers or many buyers, the market tends to go higher. So I hope most of you are not confused by that. Bulls are basically buyers who are pushing the market higher, okay? I hope all of you have gotten that. Now, everything is going all right, okay? The formation of the smaller body shows that the buyers are in control, but they are not as powerful, okay? Again, whenever you see a small candlestick, it usually signifies either the buyers or the sellers, one of them is losing power, okay? Now, you have the third bearish candle. It indicates the buyer's dominion is over and a possible bearish trend reversal is likely to happen. Now, let us look at this in a real market setup. So, this is a snippet of a real market setup. As you can see, this market had a bullish trend, okay? And then the Evening Star pattern formed at the top, okay? Now, we have a very strong, okay, bullish candlestick. And then you have a small bearish candlestick. And then you have a large one, which now signifies, okay, so for the first one, it shows that the buyers are still in control. For the second one, it shows us that now the buyers are losing power and the sellers are gaining power. And the third one shows us that now the sellers gained power and they now push the market lower. As you can see, now the market will have a bearish trend, okay? Now, once the market has once the sellers gain power, the market will have a downward trend, because now they have been able to take control over the market. Okay, let us see the explanation again. So first of all, make sure you have all seen how this pattern looks like, so that you don't get confused. That is how it looks like. Okay, as you can see, the market was trending up. Okay, the first candle in the pattern indicates a long move up, which also means an upward trend. Okay, the second one is a short candle, all right, indicating the price consolidation and indecision. What candlestick usually signifies indecision? It is a doji candlestick. Okay, yeah, so basically, guys, that is the Evening Star pattern. Evening Star is basically the opposite of Morning Star, so don't get confused. Again, it is a bearish reversal pattern. Usually signifies a bearish reversal is about to occur. Okay, it usually has 3 candlesticks. We have the large bullish candlestick, a small bearish or bullish, and then you have a large bearish. All right, and that is how this Evening Star is situated. So in the next one, we'll be looking at let me look at the next one that we'll be looking into, the hammer. Okay, the hammer. So you guys stay tuned. You'll understand all these patterns in depth. So make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like this video so that you don't miss out. Okay, thank you for watching, guys, and good luck.